What is up, everyone? Welcome back. I hope you're all having a great, safe day. I hope you're staying safe during this quarantine, but because of this quarantine I was able to get a few things done in my free time. So let's get right into what I was able to get done this week. First off, I started off by making the window, and then making the window resizable. I know that later into the engine I'm going to want to be able to resize the window, so I worked on implementing that and making sure the width and the height always got updated. After I finished that, I worked on an input manager. I want to be able to handle all kinds of inputs for the game, so I want to make sure all that was done before I actually got working on a player and all of that good stuff. Then I worked on rendering, and I want to have a very efficient way of rendering, so I spent a lot of time drawing stuff out for this. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen all of the planning I was doing. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go do that real quick. But the link is in the description. But I think I have a pretty good way of implementing rendering in my engine, so that took a while this week. Then after I got rendering done, I just added some simple shaders and textures just to show it off for this video and to get it out of the way. May not seem like a lot was done this week, but I wanted to make sure that I got all of the back-end stuff I needed to get done, so that way in the future I won't have to worry about testing for making sure everything's working. I already know that everything I've implemented so far is working. And in the past, when I've tried to make game engines and stuff like this, I've always really struggled with the organization of the project, and so far I don't think I've ever been this organized with something like this project. So hopefully that pays off in the end. The next devlog video will definitely be put together differently than this. I didn't have anything really exciting to show you guys like throughout the week, just because it was all back-end stuff that really just wouldn't have been exciting to watch. But definitely next week, when I start rendering more stuff and getting more options on the screen, I will definitely have a day-by-day video up next week, so stay tuned for that. So that's it for this week. If you did enjoy the video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more. I'm going to be posting one of these a week. There will be another Java tutorial up middle of this week, so stay tuned for that. I will see you guys later. Stay safe. See ya.